One day I went down in the mountains. I sat at the bottom of the valley, listening to the beautiful voice of the water flowing down to the valley, coming from the mountains, the birds singing. And when I look around, I saw a few bottles of Coca-Cola Sprite, but when I looked on the other side, I didn't see any Coca-Cola fizzy drinks flowing from the mountains. Therefore, they are man-made. But this water was pure to drink. So it's good to drink water rather than drinking fizzy drinks. This water is coming live from the top of the mountains. This water is the best water to drink. This is natural spring water. And when I sat down, I started thinking, what are the benefits of drinking water? Drink water of our bodies, it's water. Therefore, we need to drink water every day so that we can have that balance of blood and water in the body. But if we don't drink water, we are drinking fizzy drinks. Then how do you expect our body to be healthy? How do you expect to support our heart health? Water is very good as it helps prevent headache and backaches. If you wake up in the morning with a bit of headache and during the day you're a bit of headache, you're looking for painkillers, this is because you're not drinking water. So try and drink as much water as possible and you won't have headaches. I drink lots of water with good pH, alkaline level is high, the spring water. I never have headache. I'm very honest here. And then at one point I had an interaction with a few friends, and when I went closer to them, they're running away from me, and it was not their problem, it was my problem. I had a very bad breath. Then I realized, oh, I'm not drinking water. When I started drinking water, I had very good breath. If you have such symptoms of bad breath, water prevents bad breath. Did you wake up in the morning feeling no energy? You're not alert and you're quickly grabbing a cup of coffee. Before you grab a cup of coffee, drink water. Water actually increases energy and alertness. And if you have to drink a cup of coffee, then make sure you drink like 2-3 liters of water during the day. So you are trying to get rid of the coffee in the bloodstream. Otherwise, you hear people saying I was alert all night, I didn't sleep. It's because too much coffees and not drinking water to remove it from the bloodstream. Water helps with kidney stones. If ever you've gone to hospital and doctor said you've got lots of kidney stones, lack of drinking water. Before you get kidney stones, water prevents kidney stones. Drink it. Water prevents cramps. Water supports joints. Water boosts immunity system. Therefore, if you want your immune system to be good, drink water. Water is good as it enhances brain function. If you'd like to build good, strong muscles, water supports muscle building. A day I met a 75-year-old granny. I asked her, what's your secret of your beautiful skin at this age? You look younger than before. She says, son, I would wish to look younger than before, but on my days, we never drink Coke, Sprite, Fanta, and the fizzy drink you kids of nowadays are drinking. The secret to my beautiful complexion was drinking water. Son, water improves complexion. Water supports weight loss, a healthy weight loss. The food we eat nowadays, be it vegetables, be it fruits, whatever we eat, if sometimes we don't wash properly or sometimes we just grab and we start eating, kids start eating, there's so much involved in the food production nowadays, from the farm spraying of insecticide and stuff like that. Therefore, we end up depositing a lot of toxins in our bodies. We end up drinking so much fizzy drinks, more toxins in the bodies. Water flushes out all these toxins in the body. Water helps with the nutrient absorption. Did you ever wake up in the morning, you have no energy and you're not alert? Drink water. Did you ever go out and you eat too much and you, in between meals, you are having Coke, Sprite and fizzy drink, as I see most of us nowadays are doing? And when you're getting home, you're puking, you're all over the place vomiting, and you have a horrible night, and you wake up in the morning feeling uncomfortable. Is because you did not drink water. Try to drink water 15 minutes before meal. No anything in between meals. And then you drink a glass of water 15 minutes after meal. Then after that you can enjoy any other drink, glass of wine or whatever you have. Water increases waste removal in the body. It's very good because water improves circulation. So therefore, if we are replacing our bodies with fizzy drinks, then we are at a high risk of getting sick. There's so much benefits of drinking water. Drink water and encourage our kids to drink water. Your health is your wealth.